Hello guys, I am back with yet another video. In this video, we are going to discuss about virtual reality. Virtual reality is a simulated experience that can be similar to or completely different from the real world. Applications of virtual reality include entertainment, for example, video games. In education, example, medical or military training. Other distinct types of VR style technology include augmented reality and mixed reality, sometimes referred to as extended reality or XR. Now let's see about types of virtual reality. First, semi-immersive VR, second, augmented reality, third, collaborative VR, fourth, manufacturing VR, fifth, medical VR, sixth, VR therapy, seventh, mixed reality. Now let's see information of these types of virtual reality one by one in more detail. First, semi-immersive VR. Most of the time when people think of VR, they picture fully immersive systems like the HTC Vive or Oculus Quest. Unlike these technologies, semi-immersive VR offers users a mix of real and virtual interactive elements. At its most basic, semi-immersive VR is one of the oldest kinds of this technology, but today companies are applying it differently. Second, augmented reality. Like semi-immersive VR, augmented reality (AR) doesn't fully immersive the user, but it differs in that it overlays virtual and real elements. AR applications displays computer-generated items over real-time images of physical environments. Some consider AR to be a separate technology from VR, but on a technical level, it falls under the umbrella of virtual reality. Third is collaborative virtual reality. Critics of VR claim it could lead to people becoming too immersed and thus isolated, but the technology can bring people closer together than before. Collaborative VR takes video conferencing programs like Skype to the next level. This form of VR projects the same virtual environment to several users at once, no matter how far apart they may be. As a result, they can share ideas and work together on projects. Collaborative VR can be as simple as a virtual conference room or as complex as an interactive 3D blueprint that engineers discuss and edit at the same time. Fourth, manufacturing VR. One of the industries with the most to gain from VR is manufacturing. VR and AR technology can ensure safety and quality at every step of the manufacturing process, from design to inventory management. Workers can use VR to train in simulated conditions before stepping onto the factory floor. With the right tools, they can decrease the risk of injury when they work with the actual machinery. AR overlays help employees spot errors during quality control checks. Similarly, wearable AR tech will allow workers in inventory operations to identify parts and products more quickly than with the naked eye. Our fifth type is medical virtual reality. The field of medicine has a lot to gain from virtual reality. In a business where accuracy and comprehensive approaches to problems are of utmost importance, virtual environments offer significant advantages across the board. The most apparent of these benefits is that doctors and nurses can train in immersive simulations. Medical staff can use VR to practice surgery in a safe environment with real-time feedback. These environments also prepare for any number of unique situations. Professionals might encounter VR can create interactive digital models of the human anatomy that leads to a better understanding of different medical conditions. Sixth is virtual reality therapy. Physical health is not the only area of wellness that VR can improve. Treating patients who have psychological disorders can be a complicated process, but virtual reality applications help psychiatrists and therapists explore previously unavailable options. Professionals often treat patients with phobias or related disorders, with gradual exposure to the source of the issue, a process called systematic designation or exposure therapy. VR allows these patients to undergo exposure therapy in a controllable, safe, and private environment, increasing effectiveness and alleviating concerns associated with traditional forms of this therapy. Now, the last but not the least and the most vast type of virtual reality is mixed reality. One of the most recent advances in VR is the concept of mixed reality. MR is similar to AR in that it combines virtual and real elements. Unlike AR, however, the virtual components in MR interact with the real world, leading to an authentic affected VR experience. Using technologies like the Microsoft HoloLens, people can use MR to interact with 3D holograms in comfortable physical environments, like their living rooms. MR creates immersive tours and demonstrations, allowing students to gain a well-rounded understanding of a variety of concepts. Companies can use MR applications to generate unique and engaging team-building exercises for employees, which is super important for building strong relationships within them. Now, let's see the future of virtual reality. But guys, I think the virtual reality is the future by itself of the world. No single form of virtual reality will transform the world on its own. As a whole, however, the technology's applications hold the potential to be one of the most disruptive concepts in the years to come. Virtual reality is already changing the way some businesses operate. As technology further develops and people experience the benefits, virtual reality will become a standard practice in nearly every sphere. We are done in this video here. If you think the information is informative and useful, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.